Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below will be links to the products that I could still find that were from these, and I think that's it. If you have any other questions, the original projects are always on my blog. Sometimes videos are made, sometimes they're not, but always on my blog. All right, let's get started. First, we had this fun card for Craft and Kimmy challenge. Let the adventures begin. That sweet bunny is going to go fly on a trip. Then for the Newton's Nook challenge, Sandy Paws and Salty Kisses, the Inky Paws challenge, which was a color theme this time around. And that stencil with those stickles. It's just, I love the fact that it had and the glossy accents on the glasses, and such a fun card. And then I taught a live class in the Craft and Kimmy group for Christmas in July. Let's see, I did these tags to prepare for the class, and then I taught these ones. I really like this one better than this one because I think that the wreath stands out more. But they are all super cute, and now I have some more tags that are ready. I love tags. And then I had this fun one. The image is by Krista Smith. I just love coloring her images, and you will be seeing more of those soon. I've been collecting her digital stamps for many, many years, and I don't use them as often as I want, so I'm going to change that. Be You, They'll Adjust. And I just did that on the inside, and those like mirror dots from Gina Marie Designs and some old basic gray. And I do like on her earrings, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, I used like a jelly roll pen, I think it was, and I just love, it looks really metallic in real life. And then I had the collab with Teresa where I shared my 3 bee gnome cards, Sunflower Wishes and Honeybee Kisses. And this one, Sweet as Honey. And the last one was Buzzing By to Say Hi. So there are all my cards for the week that I still have in my possession. I have been getting crafty, probably not quite as much as I'd like. My right arm is really feeling the effects of the pinched nerve, and so it is super, sometimes it's really hurting, sometimes it's really tingly. It just depends. I'm hoping that there'll be progress. I just got to keep on keeping on. But anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. I think I have a few videos scheduled that I made like weeks ago. My daughter's been home, so I haven't been making as many, but we'll see what happens when she goes to college. She leaves middle of August, so lots of fun stuff happening in my house. And for those of you who are not friends with me on Facebook, I'm also super excited. She got engaged, so in probably 2 or 3 years, they will have a wedding, so that will be exciting. They've been together 3.5 years, so kind of knew that it was coming, but it's always just so exciting, an exciting time. Anyways, rambling as always. Thanks so much for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go crafty. Bye.